Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on a Google Doc, which will take this document and turn it into something like this. The first thing that you'll want to do is open a new document. It can be from a template or a document that you've already created. You'll go over here to Insert, scroll down where it says Watermark right here. You'll see that it has a bright new blue New button here indicating that it's a new feature in Google Docs. I click there. I'm going to be able to select an image. I'm also going to be able to select that image from Google Drive, Photos, a Google image search, maybe something from a URL, from a website or something that you have the license to use. You can upload something from a camera, or I can upload something from my computer. I already have something here, so I'm going to drag it right into that file folder. You'll notice that now I have the watermark here and it's showing up on my document. I can shrink that down so it's in the middle. I can fade it or unfade it. We'll go back up to 100%. When I'm finished with that, I click done. You'll see that the watermark is now here in this document. If I want to remove this watermark, come back to Insert, Watermark, Remove Watermark, and that watermark is now gone from that document. If this video saved you time, energy, and frustration, I ask that you like and subscribe and share with other people that may find this useful. I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.